So this is a massive operation. What does it take to, one, you have rhinos, you have a whole facility here, you have to feed them every day. How many people and what does it look like behind the scenes of Rockwood?
Yeah, so we've got about 50 guys working here permanently. You know, they obviously work in shifts because, you know, this is a 24/7 operation. Every day is the same. There's no weekends, there's no holidays. So we run it almost like a military base, you know. So everybody that works here don't live here with their families. They mainly stay in Kimberley and, you know, just come out here to work. They basically 3 weeks on and a week off. And in that way, we rotate them so that we've got a full contingent of rangers and supporting staff all the time. Yes, yeah, you know, to cover the 33,000 acres, to do all the maintenance, to do all the security, yeah, it's quite an effort, you know, and it takes quite a lot to keep it up.
I even heard that you have 2 horses for every person at
Yes.
Rockwood. Is that true?
Yes. So every ranger has got 2 horses and a motorbike, you know, and then obviously the weapons, you know, the ammunition. They need to train regularly. You know, the gear, the binoculars, you know, the list goes on and on and on. You know, I can keep you busy for a whole night to talk about what it takes, you know. But in short, it takes a lot of money. It takes a huge effort, and we're fortunate that we've got wonderful staff. That most of the guys here was with me right from the beginning, you know, and we're almost like a family here. Everybody's got the same goal. We all want to see this succeeding, you know, and you know, really, this is as much about the people here as it is about the rhino. I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.